What's the number one way to teach conversation skills? Let them talk. Let them talk. I do something in my classroom called talk time. We keep talking about upfronting from preventing behaviors. Talk time. Kids know that if I'm going to teach a concept, I'm going to put on the wall at some point, it's talk time. That means you get up out of your seat, you go talk to your friends, you do whatever you need to do about the weekend, whatever happens, and then when talk time is over, you come back and you sit down and we keep on learning. When kids know they're going to get an opportunity to talk, they hold it together a lot longer. They hold it together because they know they're going to get a break. They know they're going to get a chance to talk. They're going to learn conversation skills by experiencing conversation. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.